In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export high-quality videos in CapCut PC. To begin, click on the Export button on the top right section of your screen. The first thing you want to do is to give this a name. I'm going to call this Export. Next, you want to select the location you want it exported to. So select this icon over here. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to select Downloads and hit Select Folder. The next thing you want to look at is the resolution. This affects the file size, but it doesn't really affect the quality that much. I would highly recommend that you set the resolution of your video to the resolution in which your video was shot at. So for example, if you shot at 1080p, select 1080p. If you select 4K, it will only increase the size of the video, but it will not increase the quality of the video to 4K. So the best thing to do is to select the resolution in which you shot the video. The bitrate is very important. I'm going to recommend you select higher, because this affects the quality of the video. Higher bitrate will produce higher quality videos, and lower bitrate will produce lower quality videos. For the codec, I'm going to recommend you leave it at H.264 because this is the most common compression method. For format, I'm going to suggest you leave it at MP4. And for frame rate, it's important that you know that the higher frame rate will produce smoother motions, but the lower frame rate will produce less smooth motions. And once you are done, if you have audio, come over here and make sure that audio is checked. But for this current video, there's no audio attached to it, as you can see over here. And once you are done, come over here and select Export.